Hey guys, so I'm just going to get right into it. I washed my face with this BLISS Pore Cleanser before starting, and then I also used the BLISS Micro Magic Scrub along with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer, and this is just to prep my face. So now I'm also putting on some chapstick and spraying my face with Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray. So I'm going to use this Cover FX mattifying primer with anti-acne treatment and put this all over my face. And then use the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation with my damp beauty blender. And I'm just going to pat this all over my face to give the illusion that my skin is clear and flawless and doesn't have redness, which we all know is a lie, but we want that effect because mermaids have perfect skin, right? Probably not, but we're gonna fake it. So then I'm taking the Maybelline Master Concealer, and using a concealer brush, I'm just patting on the concealer onto some of my pimples. I've been breaking out a lot more, like, on my neck and underneath my face area, and I really don't like it. And then I'm also taking some and putting it on my keratosis pilaris on the bottom of my cheeks. And then putting some on the forehead, bridge of the nose to highlight, and I will get to the under eyes after my eye makeup. And then I'm putting some on my lids to prep my eyelids for eye makeup. It's kind of like a lid primer, but you don't have to buy a separate primer, you just use concealer. So next I'm taking the JACLYN Hill palette with Morphe, and I love this. It's an awesome palette, and I love JACLYN Hill. And I'm just going to take this light shade up here and put it all over my lid. And this just is kind of like a base for the rest of my shadow. And then I'm taking the Dream Street palette by ColourPop and KATHLEEN Lights, and I'm taking this orangey rusty color, and then putting this in the crease of my lid. And I really love this palette. All the colors are super pigmented and really beautiful in my opinion. So then next I'm taking a different brush, and I'm taking this brownish color, and underneath that I'm going to place that. So it's like in my crease but slightly lower. And I'm also going to take this contour brush and then take this dark teal, which I love and I think is perfect for this look, and putting this on the outer corner, like below but also on top of that brown. And really just getting this into the crease. I want this to be super pigmented, and I'm putting some under my eye as well. And then I'm taking the shimmery, lighter version of that color with a flat eyeshadow brush and really just packing that on and getting a lot of color and pigment so we really get that tealy look. I think these colors are perfect for this. And then I'm taking an NYX glitter primer and some blue glitter that I got at Walmart. And I'm going to try to open this, but kind of fail. It took me like several attempts. And then I'm going to pat it onto my eyelid. And this just adds a really awesome pop of color and really just grabs everyone's attention, because that's what mermaids do. And you know, they're shimmery and sparkly, of course. And then after I do the other eye, I'm just going back with the dark teal and going over the glitter to really add effect. And then I'm going to take this black from the JACLYN Hill palette with a thinner brush and put that on the very outer edge of my eye, kind of like a V. And then I'm going to use my other concealer from Maybelline to conceal my under eyes and really just brighten up that area. So next, I'm going to take this orangey shimmery color from the Dream Street palette and drag it under my eye and then just drag out streaks. And I just think this is like really cool. It reminds me of fish. And then I'm going to take this white shimmery color and put it in the arches of my brow as well as my inner eye corner to really highlight and brighten. Then I'm going to take some face gems and make a contour in my cheek. I really like this because it's something different that I haven't really seen. I know a lot of people show the fishnet kind of fish scale thing, which is really cool for mermaids, but I wanted something unique and different, so I think that like this gem contour type of thing just looked really awesome and really mermaidy, and this is just a super fishy look, and that's in the good way, of course. And then I'm going to put some on my forehead as well, and really just add it to the effect. Then we can't forget brows. I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Taupe and just kind of lining and filling in my brows. I think good brows really put a look together, honestly. Now on to the lips. I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte-TALLIC lipstick in the Real Teal, and you can see a review of this on another video of mine. If you check that out, that'd be awesome. And I think it is perfect for this look. It really matches the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to add some fake lashes, and my look is complete. I am in love with this look, and you can see me, kind of trying to model here. Oh wait, gotta get the hair out because, mermaid hair. And I just love this. I think it's super mermaidy and aquatic and summery and festival-y, lots of ease. But yeah, I love this, and I hope you guys recreate this. Please be sure to like and comment below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm just weird like that. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Bye guys.